Alright, so you'll get two of these chargers. I've just got one pulled out. This is the main on switch for your power that turns the pack on. When you're charging, you'll just plug that into the charge port and just plug that into the wall. It'll be red when it's charging, it'll turn green when it's fully charged. Alright, so we're going to turn the pack on. Just going to flip this over here. Alright, so with the pack itself here, your volume control we've set to the Raytheon knob. Okay. Alright, so with the pack on, you'll notice the wand is off. That can be turned on, the activate, turns your bar graph on. Top switch turns your vent light on, and it's ready for firing. Of course, you got your top mech. Just simply push it back in. Top mech. That's your. With the vent feature, for it to do the pop out, you'll want to see the switch here. This actually turns on the pump. That's going to put the air pressure that's required to make this pop out. This little button is a test button if you want to test your vent, make sure everything's on, make sure that this is working, or if you're ever just doing a demo without having to fire off the wand, that button allows you to do that. Doesn't take long, maybe 20 seconds or so. You can turn it off if you want to keep it a little quieter. You can test it, make sure it was working. See, the more air pressure it's got, the more times you can vent it. It's okay to leave it on if you'd like, but we'll just say pressurize the can and then turn it off whenever you can. Maybe give it a little bit more pressure. Alright, so there's two ways to vent. You can hold this down, the red button. As it overheats, you'll notice the cyclotron spinning faster. And it does an automatic overheat vent. As far as if you want to do the cross the streams and make it go out quicker, hit both the black button and the red button at the same time. It's the same thing. As far as your different modes go, this is where you get kind of tricky. You want to put the bottom light up to where that light lights up. You'll drop the top light down. The black button will switch you between your modes. Whenever you find the mode that you want, you'll lift the vent switch back up, locks it in, and you have two different modes, depending on which button. If you want to switch out, swap it. Want to get out of that mode quick, just drop it out and put you back into your mode there. Now, one other mode that this has, it's called the music mode. So you'll turn the pack off, you'll hold down the red button, and then you'll flip it back on. That turns music mode on. The black switch switches over your music selections. It stops it and pauses it. You'll notice the bar graph goes up as you make your selections. To get out of that mode, simply turn off. Alright. You got your S hook to be strapped to your belt, so if you don't want to have to reholster the gun back to the pack. The V-hook fits right here. You always want to make sure that that's securely locked in so it doesn't fall off. So in a nutshell, that's your pack in operation. And again, if you have any questions, just let us know. And it's been a pleasure building this for you.